Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So strap yourself in and have a watch at what I've been working on. So basically this vlog goes through what I've been working on the last couple of weeks. So I had a couple of commissions to do. One was the Hala and the other was the Dreadwolf. So this was a little combination of those two dolls basically, and sort of some planning around a new sort of series, I guess, and some new dolls because these commissions are done. So I probably might open up for more commissions because I don't have any on at the moment, which is great, but also that means I can do my own things as well. So yeah, just a little update at the start of what this vlog is about. So both the Hala and Dreadwolf are finished, so I'll show them at the end of this vlog when I end it if you want to see what it looks like, and I'll also have the videos of putting them all together as well, like the process videos of the Hala and the Dreadwolf coming up. The Dreadwolf has the movable jaw, so it's a lot of process, a lot of work involved with putting that doll together. And yeah, so I want to see how all that goes on, and then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the end of the vlog. So yes, as I was saying at the start, I finished the Hala, so I'll give you a little look at the Hala. It's a big doll. It's like big, but it's lean, so it's not like a really big bulky doll. Yeah, it's super lean, so I needle felted the body for this one over a ball and socket armature just to get that muscle tone a bit more correct, I guess, rather than sewing up the old way that I used to do. But the face is sculpted out of Sculpey Original, also the hooves Sculpey Original as well. Antlers are sculpted out of Epoxy Sculpt to give it that bit more stability, so they're pretty strong, and also glass cabochon eyes, and of course my battery is running out. So yeah, a full video will come up of this one, like I said at the start, but that's like a little look at the Hala, and I will go and get the Dreadwolf as well so you can have a look at that. So the Dreadwolf is a bigger doll, and just because of the movable jaw, it sort of means it naturally comes a bigger doll. So it's all black. Same deal with the Sculpey polymer clay head. The jaw is made from Super Sculpey, so it's the beige gum colour, and Sculpey Translucent, which is great colour for teeth, and also movable jaw, rah. That works really well. I have a tutorial in my shop if you want to know how I make these movable jaws, at creaturesandnat.com, so check that out, as well as heaps of other tutorials as well, and also the 6 eyes that make obviously the Dreadwolf. So bigger doll, little look at it, sort of the same size as the Hala though, it's just a bit more bulkier because it's a big wolf, I guess. So they're basically what I've been working on. In terms of the new series that I've been working on, that I'm sort of planning out, I have this cast of an Oni. So I have these mini masks that I made, and that's what it'll look like. So I kind of really want to make one into a doll. It'll be quite a large doll though, but it'll be something completely different than what I'm used to working on. So I think it'll be a really good project, and I'd like to do like a Japanese theme, so a couple of dolls. I have this kitsune that I've been sort of working on for a long time, and then just put it on standby, and then I'd like to come back to it and kind of finish it. It's almost done. Needs a bit of sewing up, but it's got like the no patterns on the front. I might do another one. I have to find the mold for this. I don't exactly know where it is, but I might do another cast and do like a blue one or something. So there's like 1 and 2, but I really like the way this one looks out. So once I sew it all up, it will be a smaller doll, but it'll be a lot cheaper than my bigger dolls and my polymer clay dolls, because it's smaller and made of resin, so resin will be cheaper, so hopefully it'll be a bit more affordable. So I'm gonna get back into making my resin doll, so there's some more affordable things. And yeah, so that's a little look at one of them. I also have my other kitsune masks, so I'd like to do 2 of them too. And I've done a few of them in the past, quite a few of them in the past, and I'd probably like to do another. I did like a stone one with like crackling on it and like moss, and I think that turned out really well. So either one or the other, I'm not sure which one I'll do, but hopefully I can do like 4 kitsune dolls, so 2 of each sculpt. The Oni, and just have a think about what else to do. I haven't fully planned everything. And yeah, it'll be kind of exciting. I'd like to do a one-off one as well, so yeah, I'll have to think about, maybe I'll do like a 9-tailed fox or something. But yeah, the 9-tails are quite tricky to create because the ball and socket things are quite tricky, so I'll have to think about it and start planning a little bit more. But that's pretty much it. I reckon my battery's going to die, so I'll probably leave it there. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Let me know what you're going to see. I have some animals coming up. I did a poll on my Patreon, so thank you to my patrons for voting. Head over there if you're interested, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.